Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about the Vedic names of rivers, and we must remember these questions are nowadays they are asking what exactly the river and their Vedic names in all competitive examinations. As you can see here, various rivers have been given. Before they used to call with the Vedic names. What exactly those Vedic names? Initially, if we take Chenab river, as you can see to the right side, how exactly Indus, Chenab, Jhelum, and there are Punjab. In Punjab, there are 5 rivers which flows JCBRS. So it means Jhelum, Chenab, Bias. RS stands Ravi and Sutlej. So these are the 5 rivers which flow through Punjab. So here Chenab river is known as Askini. So Askini Chenab. So this is the Vedic name of Chenab river, that is Askini. When it comes to the Bias river, as you can see here, that is known as Vipasa. Vipasa Basu. We know that Bias Vipasa. So Vipasa Basu heroine is there. So you can remember like that. Bias Vipasa. Next we have the river that is Sutlej, and the Sutlej river we call it in a Vedic time, that is Shatudri. So Shatudri, that is Sutlej. As you can see here, other rivers Vitasta, Askini, Parushni, so Vipas, Shatudri, these are all the rivers of the names of Vedic names of the current rivers. So at present we call them in a different name. So here Sutlej river is Shatudri. When it comes to the Sindh river, that is one thing you have to remember, Sindhu. In past we used to call it as Sindhu or Indus river. This Sindhus or Indus, before it used to be called, and now it is Sindh river. As you can see how exactly the location of the river in India. When it comes to Ravi river, past we used to call it as Parushni, and at present we call it as Parushni Ravi. So this is what exactly you have to remember. Ravi is what? Purush. So you can remember like that. Next we have Jhelum. Jhelum is something before we used to call it as Vitasta. Vitasta Jhelum. So Jhelum, Jhelna Vitasta. So it is Jhelum Vitasta. So remember the way, whatever the way you want to remember, the shortcut of remembering Jhelum Vitasta. Next we have the river Gandak. As you can see to the right side how exactly various rivers. The Gandak river, past we used to call it as Sadanira. So please remember Sadanira is Gandak. And next we have the Ghaggar river. This is one thing you have to remember. Ghaggar river, prior it used to be called in Vedic times Drishdvati. Drishdvati. Total how many we have these kind of Vedic river names? Total we have 13. So among those 13, all the 13 have been discussed. So here Ghaggar river, before it used to be called as Vedic name of Drishdvati. When it comes to the Kabul river, now we call it as Kabul, but it is before Kuba. So remember this Kabul river is located in Afghanistan, and the river of Kabul name, the Vedic name is Kubha. When it comes to the Kurram river, this is one thing you have to remember. Kurram, it is Kubu. The Vedic name of Kurram river is Kubu. And next we have Gumal river. This is one thing guys, you have to remember Gumal river or Gomti. So before we used to call it as Gomti, and now we also call it as Gomti and Gumal river. When it comes to the Swat river, before we used to call it as Suvastu. Suvastu, that is Swat river. And we have the Sohan river, as you can see here, Sohan. Sohan river is also known as Sushoma. Sushoma is the river name of Sohan. So you can see to the right side how exactly here above the Jhelum we have and Chenab. Over to that we have Sohan river, that is Sushoma. So these are the total 13 rivers of India and their Vedic names. So there are various rivers and the projects, and every video has been made. You can directly have a look in playlist where you can see all those videos. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.